Hi friends, my name is Aditya Agrawal and you're watching Addy's Tech Tips. So today will be our another part of the Arduino series, which is part number 6, and we'll make another project which I hope you will like it. It is on controlling LED through potentiometer. A potentiometer takes analog input, and if we rotate it we can supply different amount of voltage to the LED. So let's get to the hardware part and then to the coding part. So friends, starting from the hardware, today we will again need some simple things like potentiometer. This is a normal analog potentiometer, but you can all if you have this you can also use this. It will require a screwdriver, as you can see, but you can use this, it's fine. And an LED is required because we have to control an LED, a normal resistor, an Arduino Uno board R3, normal breadboard, and a bunch of jumper wires. So first, now let's place the LED, and I have also provided the circuit diagram link in description, so you can go there and check it out and then complete it and move on to the coding. So first I'll keep this LED, keeping the positive end on the left side, and then connect a resistor to the right side of the LED, which is the negative. It's your choice, you can connect to whichever you want, but I have for now connected it on the right side. So after this is done, take a normal jumper wire and connect it to this resistor's other end. You can see here I've connected to this resistor's other end, and now connect this to the ground. The ground you can find here on the Arduino board, this side in the power. Then join it to ground, or you can also join it to here, but it's your choice. As you have seen in my previous videos, I do mostly here, but since we only have to connect this two things to ground, we have two grounds in the Arduino board, so we can do that. Now connect this potentiometer anywhere on the board. Like I say, I connect it here because I think it looks more convenient here and it can rotate normally. You can see the three pins are connected. Now the first pin, which is for me, which is the most left pin, this one, the first pin needs to be connected to, you can watch carefully, you have to know this properly. So okay, no, let me remove this from here and connect it here. Yes, because as we all know, these lines are connected with each other, hence the whole potentiometer would be connected. So now the first one, which is on the most left, you can see here, needs to be connected to the positive, which is the 5 volt. You can find the 5 volt on the same power menu here. So this is it. I'll connect it. And the first one, after it is connected, take another jumper wire, and for the middle one you can do is, first let me put it in here. I do this, and is this correct? Yes, it is. For the middle one, you need to connect this to the analog 0. You can see the analog input here, so connect it to the analog 0, which is this one, because we need to take analog inputs from this potentiometer. Take another jumper wire, and for the third one of our potentiometer, connect it to ground. We had two grounds, so we can connect here. I'll do this, and yes, it is also connected to ground now. So now these things are done, but one thing is left, that our positive leg of the LED is left empty. So you can connect a jumper wire from the positive leg directly to the pin number 10. You can see here the digital pin number 10 connected to that only because it is needed in the code. So I'll put it here, and I'll tell you connections also, that the ground is connected, LED ground is connected, and positive part of the LED is connected to the pin number 10. And for potentiometer, 5 volt for the left one. For the middle one, it is connected to analog 0, and for the right one, it is connected to ground. So we won't need these extras. So this was the circuit. You can watch it from the circuit diagram too. It is a Google Drive link. Now I'll connect my Arduino. I'll connect this Arduino to my laptop and then upload the code and check the output. So let's do it. Friends, welcome to the coding part of today's project. So today we have done now the hardware part, and for the coding I'll explain it to you. It is simple. First we are taking integer value, which is the ADC value. I'll tell you what the ADC value is. ADC value is analog to digital conversion. Means I just told you in the intro that the potentiometer takes analog input, and we also connect it to the analog pin 0. So hence we will take analog input, change it to digital, convert it to digital value. So that is it. And LED pin, which pin we have connected to the LED, that is the pin 10. And this in the setup we will say pin mode LED pin output, because we want to glow the LED, means we want to supply some voltage to it, which is output. And in the loop what we have to do is the ADC value variable will carry the analog read A0, means the value coming from the signals coming from the potentiometer will be connected to the A0, and these connections or these signals will be stored in the variable ADC value. And then analog write LED pin map we have also done in the last project. If you have seen, go check it out now, because I explained what map does. It converts the first value from the 0 to 1023, which is the first range, to 0 to 255. And I told you that 255, as you can say also, like the brightness, like if we say 255 at its max value, it is that the LED will glow at its max level, and 0 is that it won't glow. So we have to map ADC value, the coming value, and its range is from 0 to 1023, and we have to map it on the brightness, and this brightness will be passed to the LED pin. So now let's upload this code. It will be easy, you can verify too, but I know this is correct, so I'm directly going to upload it. Select your Arduino from here, go to port, and then upload the code. And now let's check the output. So friends, my Arduino is successfully connected, and I've also uploaded the code. So now let's check the output. I'll rotate this potentiometer from right to left like this, and the LED should increase its brightness. So 3, 2, 1, now. Wow, it works perfectly. As you can see, I can control the brightness of the LED through a potentiometer easily with few rotates. So our today's project is successfully working. If you have come up to this point, I hope you like this video. Click the like button. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for tech related content regularly, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.